Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with an update on the brutal attack on 3 females in Trelawny.
The police are urging residents of Cotton Tree District to tell them what they know and help in finding the men who killed 15-year-old Jamaica Cole. Education
Minister Favour Williams, who visited the area today, said state support will be provided to those affected. More from Anthony Lugg.
A somber mood in the country community in Trelawny more than 48 hours after a deadly attack claimed the life of 15-year-old Jamaica Cole.
Jamaica has lost the potential of one of our children, and that is very, very sad.
The teen died on the weekend after 3 men invaded the family's home and attacked her and 2 other female relatives. Her mother and cousin remain hospitalized in serious condition following the violent attack.
Somebody knows. Somebody knows. And when we know and we accept it and we cover it up for whatever reason, it is us that it turns back down on as a publicity.
Education Minister Favour Williams says representatives from the Education Ministry will be offering support to children in the community. The minister also raised these concerns.
The issue of incest in this part of the country it's kind of become normal, and that is not something that we want to be normalized in Jamaica at all, because you're talking about underage girls, school children, really. So that is something as a ministry we have to get out front on, raising the awareness.
Meanwhile, head of the Trelawny Police, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, says the police are making some progress but need the assistance of the community to solve the case.
So we are assiduously pursuing our investigation. We are following some strong leads in this case. However, we are still appealing to members of the public. Based on where we are at, we are sure that there are persons in the community who are able to assist us in advancing this investigation. So we're appealing to them to come forward and tell us what they know.
We need this crime solved. We need somebody to be held accountable. You have a 15-year-old that's dead. You have a mother in the hospital. I understand she doesn't even know why she's there.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Meanwhile...